This is the Teclast M89 tablet, a 7.9-inch tablet that on first impressions is actually surprisingly good. So let's get right down to the unboxing and see what we got. So before we unbox this thing, taking a quick look at the packaging, it's white, there's like fluorescent orange here, and pretty much fluorescent orange everywhere else. And at the bottom here, we have a couple of information thingies here and 2 QR codes, so really not much to talk about. Opening it up, let's see what we got. And here we have the actual tablet itself. Gonna put that aside for now. And we have a little foam protector for the tablet. And here we have, let's see what's inside here. We have a SIM popper as well as a multi-language manual. It's very big, and a couple of warranty rules and useful reminders. So not very useful information, but at least there is a multi-language adapter or multi-language manual here that we can use, especially if you're not English speaking. But then again, if you're watching this video, you probably speak or at least read English. And here we have the actual cable itself. I hope it's a USB-C cable because that is, well, I would much rather have a USB-C than have a micro USB. And yep, we have a USB-C cable. Very, very nice. And here we have there's supposed to be a plug in here, but I don't know why there's nothing in here. Very strange. There's no plug here. Not sure where it went. That's okay because I have a plug, but I'm just not sure where the original one went over here. Nothing else inside this box. Let's put this stuff aside and look at the tablet itself. And now this right here is the tablet itself. I'm going to peel off the protective covers. So that's one off and the back off also. All right. So this is the actual tablet itself. I gotta say it feels and resembles the Xiaomi Mi Pad 3. It looks very, very similar. Even the cover is similar. But then as you look closer, you do notice that there are some differences. So first of all, there's obviously the Teclast logo, the M89. Power buttons are a little bit, they sit a little bit higher than usual. And then you have your headphone jack as well as a USB-C port. And finally, you have a SIM ejector tool here. And finally, you have a microphone. And then you have 2 top firing speakers and no bottom firing speakers. So very, very, you won't get a lot of stereo effects in this tablet. And on the front here, there's not much to say, but this is basically the front of the tablet. You can kind of see, if you look closely, the bezels around the screen are fairly big, especially on the sides. The Mi Pad 3 was actually smaller than this. So we'll turn the tablet on and see what we got. All right, so turning on the tablet, before we talk about the software, I just want to mention the bezels. As you can see, top and bottom bezels are pretty big, side bezels are big as well. But then again, it is pretty comfortable to have your thumb here to make sure it doesn't fall off when you're holding it to read stuff. So there's that. But other than that, it's a pretty unremarkable looking tablet. It looks pretty normal. Let's get right down to the software of the Teclast M89. And as we're talking about that, very, very impressive. It's very smooth. It is a Retina display, 2048 by 1536. So it's a very good tablet. It feels good. It's very fast. I will say that it's on par, if not faster than the Xiaomi Mi Pad 3, which is very high praise for a tablet like this. So I really have no complaints for now about the software of the tablet. It's smooth, it's good, and it feels nice to use. All right, so because this is a 2048 by 1536 screen, instead of showing you pictures from the regular slideshow, which is 1920 by 1080, I'm actually going to show you pictures from the Ulefone Power 3, which is the correct, aspect ratio, and you're going to see how good the display is. It's very, very impressive. So as we keep on going, you'll see that there is a ton of detail in the tablet. It's so crisp, it's so clear. Just look at the detail on my dog. It's so good, and the color saturation is amazing as well. You can see how nice and deep the blacks are, how nice the whites are that contrast with it also. So it really is an extremely pleasant display to be looking at. I really have no complaints, at first glance. So there is that to be aware of, that's a good sign, obviously. But yeah, I'm very, very surprised, impressed by the screen. I like it a lot. It looks very good. Maximum brightness doesn't seem to be super duper amazing, but that is something that you do have to be aware of if you want to buy this tablet. Alright, this is going to be a quick sound clip of Battlefront 2 on the Teclast M89, and you're going to be able to hear what the speakers sound like.
We've got a full-scale invasion of Kashyyyk going on. Separatists want to stop us from launching our fleet. They're sending a strike team to one of our cruisers nearby. We'll intercept the multi-troop transport carrying their droids. Got to use ion disruptors to do any real damage. Get to it! Autoguns online.
Alright, that was a quick unboxing and overview of the Teclast M89 Pro. Honestly, a very promising little tablet from Teclast. I think you can get it between $150 to $180, which is actually pretty cheap for a tablet compared to what you get with the Mi Pad 3, which is a lot more expensive than that. So this could potentially be one of the best budget tablets out there, but I will have to test it out to make sure that it is good before I do recommend it. So be sure to hit like and subscribe and hit the little notification bell to make sure you're notified of any of the latest videos that come out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.